Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Curfew from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. begins tomorrow, 4th May 2021. Overcrowding and flouting of COVID-19 protocols lead to Yauthimme in Jawai shutdown. Self-styled commander of an underground militant outfit killed before family's eyes, and JSU Central Body and Jaintia students South Border Zone take up border road repairs. And now the news in detail. In the press briefing held today, the Deputy Chief Minister Shri Preston Tinsong informed the media fraternity that from tomorrow shops are expected to be closed from 7 p.m. Curfew will be effective from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. the following day. This curfew will be effective from tomorrow, the 4th of May 2021 till further order.
In Shillong agglomeration, from tomorrow onwards, shops will be closed at 7 p.m. All shops will be closed from 7 p.m. and curfew will be clamped from tomorrow onwards from 8 p.m. up to 5 a.m. in the morning.
In the press briefing, the Deputy Chief Minister also informed that office hours for government offices have been reduced from 5 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. This will be applicable only in Shillong urban agglomeration.
And the office hours has been again reduced from 5 o'clock up to 4:30 p.m. This will be applicable for Shillong agglomeration.
The Deputy Chief Minister also requested all concerned stakeholders to cooperatively follow protocols to ensure that the coronavirus will not spread further.
To all the concerned stakeholders, with heavy hearts, I would like to request all the concerned stakeholders kindly adhere and kindly follow this arrangement made by the government. Hakaju Kapur.
It was also decided in the review meeting that for any death, funeral service and rituals whatsoever, the government has given an order to complete all rituals before 2 p.m. in the daytime. Regarding COVID-related deaths, the government has decided to allow the body to be taken home but have strictly prohibited to take the body inside the house or to open the sealed coffin.
That dispose of the dead bodies from now on will be allowed only up to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Dispose of the dead bodies should be done on or before of 2 p.m. every day. This order will come into force immediately. Both COVID cases as well as non-COVID cases. And it will be applicable. This will be applicable for the entire state.
The district authorities represented by Didi Singhai, Extra Assistant Commissioner, Y. Maulong, Extra Assistant Commissioner, and accompanied by members of the police department, closed down the Yauthimme market, which was under the jurisdiction of the JHADC for violating COVID-19 protocols. As per the arrangements made by the district authorities, the market was permitted to open to allow for the sale of essential items as per the containment measures introduced to combat the spread of the virus. This meant that the protocols were to be adhered to strictly by all members of the public. However, ground situation at the Yautame revealed that not only were the protocols violated, but there was absolutely no indication to suggest that people were even aware of the pandemic and the need to safeguard their health and well-being. As per the village headman of Lat Thalabor, Mr. L.D. Lakyang, the two localities of Lat Thalabor and Dong Misngi had made several announcements with regard to the enforcing of the protocols and the need to adhere to them. He further added that it was difficult to manage the situation as the JHADC, under which the market was operating, had not made any arrangements for the introduction of an odd-even system to ensure that there were no overcrowding in the marketplace. This was something that only the JHADC could do effectively, as it had the complete information of the sellers to whom it had given license to ply their wares in the market in question.
Until and unless we can buy the Vitavan. The Meghalaya Yonga the Contip the Secretary of Council, Lorian Gandhi, Ochim Kiagi. Never you picking a council share the responsibility to Bartno. Either Latalbo or Domisni only one, or one even number. That the license holder to cover tip, one good license holder Yonka Amini. That how Lemon Yonka. The nitty down to you man equal you, the council was which come up. Have opened back you when you want to camp down. Iman is subordinate Yonka, or Europe. Neighbor tie will apply back clarity. And Ray excuse one key. Chỉ cần bệnh đó cái dòng cái council đó lẽ và cái này giao cho cái managing committee làm em đó cái dòng cái managing committee cái market managing committee dòng ký the MGSO dòng ký thế này chỉ đào cái inspector là cái dòng ký chỉ đào bây giờ cái này dòng ký kami dòng apply dòng ký man trong system kalau dòng cái này ta haperdi kami ni cái pandemic ngah perkat dan rakyat dan council bagi cepat boleh go bahatam. Kalau em cam cái chừng kerchan cái yang i cam cái rong bạc Shillong, ini yang kalau thalbok perlu nurak kopi dah, man ready we let lang.
The Janta Students South Border Zone, along with Janta Students Union Central Body, on their own initiative undertook the repairing work of dilapidated road that passes through the border villages of Hingrai, Huroi, Lahalein and Lejri. The repairing work of the road was done under the leadership of JSU South Border Ajoy Minson Lingdo and the President of JSU Central Body Jersom Shala and the General Secretary Trebor Lang R. Suchen along with their members. This road has put enormous hardship for these villagers who have to pass through this road. The government had promised the people of these areas that it would repair the road, and when it became unmotorable, the members of Janta Students South Border Zone and the JSU Central Body took the initiative to repair themselves by filling the road with stone and mud that they could get from these villages. Speaking to the media, Ajoy Minson Lingdo said this road had put the people in great hardship, particularly the sick people who have to pass through this road to reach the different hospitals and community health centers. This road has also affected the economy of the people, as few vehicles are travelling through this road to carry the agricultural goods of the villages.
Gang muda tip hi menchua, naduk menchua, hingga ya, orang itu udah changing lagi. Nanti orang serok, ini itu long pending issue. Naduk menchua lagi pause nem menchua, mem upai yang serok sini. Igam nanti yang gaji isu, dengan mensen ngau lem iki, ini upai bawa cong sini, tain sini, memban si, ini mi, lagi jinglot ni, jinglot ni kesen, lagi jinglot ni upai bawa di donor yang ya kencau lang ni, tawan ni ke spot ni, wan china nu serok ni. Nanti dah ikam neliang yang JSU Central Body wa neliang ga Southern Border Zone pilih pi wa pai kmat pi sini gatain wa changing kam tam de tip pi tu dah hap snap wa ni kmat to wa de gi pai ba wa de changing pai ba ni lai wan ni gatain kam tam ni kejut uci tom de gi upoi citai cejuai clear wan pa sumar gi nanti dah I request pi wa kat wi wala pi uci action smart pi ini gatain sini. Kami neliang government tip hey kami ni det ong kamu ong ba preston bu pe sabon na gam em thau chna serok lada ong am te to ong chnau sini ke than si I lada ong bon pe sa to chnau yong ni than yong I udang sa den ha hawa tang go pick up dang seja go lai nente daw imban si neliang ge isu to wan ni wan chnau nu serok ne de jinglot yong I jinglot ni pai ba de jinglot ni donar yong mikmat yong ni ke than dan nente daw ngakarpa dari government wo pai kmat ini chigini ke tan yong I wo le khnang wo yo usuk I bai ba yong ini ke tan yong I kudai sibur.
William A. Sangma, former self-styled commander of the Achik National Cooperative Army, was reportedly killed on 1st May 2021 at his residence in Garujan, Kamrup, Assam, which is under the Boko police station. He was killed in the presence of his wife by 4 AK-47 wielding persons during midnight hours. It may be mentioned that Sangma had formed a rebel outfit in bygone years and had been arrested by the Assam police in 2017. He managed to escape from custody while undergoing treatment at Tura Civil Hospital. William had been involved in a series of abductions along the Kherapara-Dalu road and on one occasion had shot an unarmed off-duty policeman who was on his way home to Dalu. Sangma later fled to Assam, from where he orchestrated several kidnappings in North Garo Hills region of Resubelpara and Mendi Pathar. He formed the Achik National Cooperative Army with a bunch of criminals as its members and even managed to procure powerful American-made automatic assault rifles. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.